Hi everyone, today we have some packages. Let's check it together. Okay, we have a Nintendo 3DS bag, and I think we have a 2DS. Yeah. If I could reach it. Yeah, that's it. We have 2DS. Let's see. We have two Joy-Cons. I think this one is a clone and a genuine one. We have DS cartridge, and 4 PS Vita games. Three games for Nintendo Switch. Okay. The second package. Okay. Gamegear magnifier. Is it branded or not? I think it's not. Gamegear is registered with mark of Sega. No brand for this one. I think it's not from Sega. We have something else. Okay. It's something heavy. Okay. Sega Game Gear battery pack. Alright. It's the first one for my collection. I have no one like this. Is it working or not? It's not working, unfortunately. I will try to fix it. And the last package for today. the parrot bamboo. The parrot bamboo. Okay. We have the drone itself and this accessory, some kind of hose and a cannon. Do we have something else? We have this thing. I think it's some type of attachments, and we have a power cord. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you.